welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni and I'm here with my husband
Carlos. Hi.
But first, let's take a minute to look at my weekly shout outs. So today we're going to be unboxing his Birchbox Man. This is box week and I believe he's going to be box week item number 2, whatever. Anyway, let's see what you got.
So for my first items, my lifestyle items, and they gave me a pair of Bomba socks. They gave me the ankle ones and the long ones, and they're pretty cool. I really like these socks. I've bought their products before and they're real good.
So there you have it. His first lifestyle item was some Bomba socks. And are these worth, how much are these worth?
They retail for $10 a pair.
These retail for $10 a pair?
Yes.
Oh, so Bomba socks are expensive.
First item is this Evelina Cleanance Expert Lotion, and I've never tried their products, but I will be trying it.
And this is for acne prone skin. So it's a blackhead and what is this, a spot treatment for your face?
Looks like it.
It's a multitasking hydrator that banishes excess oils and treats acne and blackheads. That's pretty cool.
The Evelina Cleanance Expert Lotion retails for full price size of $26. So this next item is this Balance Me Congested Skin Serum, and I've never tried this item either, but it's for battling blemishes and enlarged pores, and I obviously have some, so I'm talking about the pores. So
we all have pores. Big pores. What he's trying to say is he has big pores.
So I will be using this product.
That is actually really neat. A congested skin serum. I've never heard of anything like that, but that is pretty neat.
Balance Me full size product is $23. The next item is this Cooling Field Towels. I've actually used these field towels before, but not exactly these guys.
Not from this brand.
Not from this brand. And I'm kind of excited to use this product.
Cool Field Towels for cool down and recovery. It's a face and body towelette.
For a full-size product of that will be $6.99. The next product is this Quip Mint Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. And I've never actually used this product, but I will use it and see what it's all about.
So it's mint flavor, and it says there's up to 2 weeks inside of this tube. This is definitely a deluxe sample.
A full-size product of this is $5.
That's some expensive toothpaste.
And my last product is this Daily Concept Mr. After Spa Exfoliating Scrubber. And I really love these scrubs they give us. I will be using this, if later, not sooner. And the full size, this is a full size product, and it retails for the price of $6. So that was everything in my box. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Become a member of our GonzFam. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.
Bye-bye.